How to fix vertical lines on Android phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to fix your vertical lines issue on Android devices. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you learn how to do it. So if you are able to see the lines or dots inside of your screen, which means the LCD panel, then it could be that the issue is with your screen, as well as one of the quickest way that can hide this instead of fixing is by simply switching to dark mode. So if you are on the lighter mode, in order to check that, you can easily go and switch your shortcut settings menu at the top of the screen, and as you can see that if you are on the lighter mode, suppose, then it will be more visible on this lighter mode. So you have to simply switch back to dark mode by tapping on dark mode option. And then this issue will get hidden and basically fix the issue. This is the first step to do. If doing so your issue has been fixed, then you need not go to other steps. But if your issue has been still appeared, you have to follow the second step. So the other issue can be with your software. For that, you need to go to the settings on your device, and then you need to search for software updates. For that, on the search bar, search for software, and once you have done that, now on this drop down list you have to select software updates and check if you have software updates on your device. If there is any, you have to update your software and then fix the issue. As you can see that our version is up to date, so there is no any updates on our device. So the last part, not the least issue, can be with your hardware. So if the issue is basically with your hardware, you can simply go to the nearby repair center and fix the issue of vertical lines on your Android device.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.